go check up on our forest buddies. Hey, look at this. This is pretty neat. We got a little spider here. Decided to crawl up my leg. He's a friend. If you know anything about these little spiders, they're called leg crawlers. And you can eat them. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Now, the forest has got some issues going around lately. A major one is called global warming. Now, global warming happens when greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and things released by cars and factories and things like that. And so that causes rays from the sun to come down, and they don't come off of Earth like they're supposed to. So it makes it hard for creatures like the polar bear here to live in their habitat. She migrated down all the way from Antarctica down here to Springfield, Oregon. And you can see she's already changed color and size to try and adapt with her new environment. She's only got about 3 days to live. Okay, now to survive in the forest, you gotta be able to eat whatever you can find. And sometimes that means eating things that aren't always that yummy. So, today I got this Norwegian super bristle. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to eat it. It didn't come off. Now, Now, here is one of the leaves that you can eat if you ever did get stranded in the wild. This one in particular is very good. I will do a demonstration. You know, you don't really want to just pick at it. You really just want to engulf it.